Hello all. Today I want to quickly show you what are the service routes for in a Palo Alto firewall. Palo Alto firewall, even it's a very capable firewall, it doesn't need to reach outside resources, databases for external data. We're talking about CRL, URL filtering, LDAP, updates, DNS, and many others. For all those resources, Palo Alto needs to reach out either to your data center, to your infrastructure, or outside to the internet to get the right information and work properly. And today I want to show you how it's configured. It is important to remember that by default, Palo Alto used the management interface to reach all those resources. But as I can show you, for example, in my topology, the management interface is not used to if you want to reach the public DNS or if you want to reach the Palo Alto updates, because that management interface is just connected to the management destination. And there are many networks who are built that their management network is closed off from the internet. And for that scenario, you need to tweak the Palo Alto firewall to use a different interface to reach those resources. And for this are the service routes. So quickly have a look at let's have a look at the firewall and see how it's changed. On my management workstation, I've already opened the service routes configuration, but for those who don't know where is it, if you go to your Palo Alto firewall, click a device, services, and service route configuration. Now we can see by default it says used management interface for all, but for our case that's not good. So we want to customize it. Now and quickly have a look that we can see all those options that would require the service route configuration if you want to use something else than the management interface. I can quickly show you that if now when it's in the default, if I log into the CLI of my firewall and I try to ping sorry, I need to specify ping source 2.558. So you can see I can ping the Google DNS server, but if I try to ping it by its host name .com, for example, it will fail. The reason why it's failing is because my Palo Alto firewall, even if it's configured with the DNS servers, it tries to reach the DNS servers over the management interface. We can quickly have a look. You can see I have DNS servers configured, so theoretically it should be able to translate a host name into the IP address. But let's change the configuration and see if it does make a difference. So I click the DNS. At the moment it says default. I set the service route. I select the WAN interface. It's automatically populate the IP address. I click OK. Click OK again, and I commit. So you need to save the configuration before you can test it again. While we're waiting, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow it. Configuration committed successfully. So we can close the window and let's try the ping again. So we're pinging again, same external host by its DNS name, and we get a response. So the reason for it is, even we have same DNS servers, we point the firewall don't to use the management interface, but use the WAN interface by changing the service route configuration. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.